अष्टावक्र गीता तृतीयोऽध्याय चैप्टर 3 अष्टावक्र उवाच अविनाशिनमात्मानम् एकं विज्ञाय तत्त्वतः तवाज्ञज्ञानस्य धीरस्य कथम् अर्थार्जने रतिः. Ashtavakra said, knowing yourself as truly one and indestructible, how could a wise man possessing self-knowledge like you feel any pleasure in acquiring wealth? Atma gnana daho priti vishaya brahma gochare sukter gnanato lobho yatha rajata vibhrame. Truly, when one does not know oneself, one takes pleasure in the object of mistaken perception, just as greed arises for the mistaken silver in one who does not know mother of pearl for what it is. Vishwam spurati yatredam taranga eva sagare sohamasmiti vigyaya indina iva dhavashi. All these wells up like waves in the sea. Recognizing I am that, why run around like someone indeed? Srutvapi shuddha chaitanya atmanamati sundaram upasthentyanta sansakto malinyam adhigacchati. After hearing of oneself as pure consciousness and the supremely beautiful, is one to go on lusting after sordid sexual object? सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि मुने झार्नत आश्चर्य ममत्वमनुवर्तते. When the sage has realized that he himself is in all beings and all beings are in him, it is astonishing that the sense of individuality should be able to continue. आस्थितः परमाद्वैतं मोक्षार्थेऽपि व्यवस्थितः आश्चर्यकामवशगो विकलः केलिशिक्षया. It is astonishing that a man who has reached the supreme non-dual state and it is intent on the benefits of liberation should still be subject to lust and held back by sexual activity. Udbhutam gnana durmitram मवधार्यार्थे दुर्बलः आश्चर्यकाममाक्षेत कालमन्तमनुश्रित. It is astonishing that one already very debilitated and knowing very well that its arousal it is the enemy of knowledge should still hanker after sensuality even when approaching his last days. इहामुत्र विरक्तस्य नित्यानित्य विवेकिनः आश्चर्य मोक्षकामस्य मोक्षाद एव विभिक्षिका. It is astonishing that one who is unattached to the thing of this world or the next, who discriminates between the permanent and the impermanent, and who longs for liberation should still be afraid of liberation. Dhirasto bhojyamanopi vidyamanopi sarvada atmanam kevalam pashyan na tushyati na kopyati. Whether fitted or tormented, the wise man is always aware of his supreme self-nature and is neither pleased nor disappointed. Chestmanam sarirasvam pashyantyanyas shariravat sanstave chapi nindayam katham kshubhyet mahashaya. A great-souled person sees even his own body in action as if it were someone else. So how should he be disturbed by praise or blame? Maya matramidam vishwam pashyam vigata kautukah api sannihite bhruktyo katham trasyati dhirati. Seeing this world as pure illusion and devoid of any interest in it, how should the strong-minded person feel fear even at the approach of death? Nispruham manasham yasya nirashepi mahatmanah tasyatmagnanatruptasya tulana kena jayate. Who can be compared to the great-souled person whose mind is free from desire even in disappointment, and who has found satisfaction in self-knowledge. स्वभावाद एव जानानो दृश्यमे तन्न किंचन इदं ग्राम्यम इदं त्याज्यम स किं पश्यति धीरधिः. How should a strong-minded person who knows that what he sees is by its very nature nothing consider one thing to be grasped and another to be rejected? Antastyakta kashayayasya nirvandasya nirashishah yadyachayagato bhogo na dukkhaya na tushtate. An object of enjoyment that comes of itself is neither painful nor pleasurable. For someone who has eliminated attachment and who is free from dualism and from desire. Chapter 3 अध्याय तृतीय समाप्त.